All right, here we go. You're looking for the best video topics for your cooking channel on YouTube? Well, you've come to the right place. So here we go. Let's get into it. Now, let me get my screen going over here. This is Microsoft Access, and I have gone ahead and I went on vidIQ previously. Actually, I did some of these searches a couple weeks ago, and I did some searches on various topics, including, let me get this over here. I looked up some keywords for baking, for cooking, eating, food, nutrition, and restaurants. And I put these searches all in the vidIQ table. Actually, I loaded them in Excel first, and then I put them from Excel in Microsoft Access. Now, I'm skipping over all that because it's just boring looking at me importing data from Excel to Access. If anyone is interested in seeing that, then please let me know in the comments and I'll make a video where I show that. It's not very interesting, so you're just seeing me import files and put files in Excel. If you want to see me do the whole process, then I'll make a video just on that. But here we see some of the search results for baking. And you can see here, there you go. Baking tricks and tips, easy baking, baking guide, baking food, bread baking, baking gadgets. So these are for baking. And if I scroll down, now I got other topics in here as well. But they're all in there. They're all loaded in the table. So I have one big table with almost 7,200 rows of data. So now we want to collect all of them. So what we're going to do is, let me go ahead and blow up my Access screen so you can all see it. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and create a query, which is like the thing that I keep on doing almost every single video. So you see how important it is, so you can know that you know how to create queries in the database. So I'm going to pull up the table, which is the vidIQ search results table. Now we're going to use the fields for keyword, related score, search volume, competition, and overall number of words and keyword search. Just about everything. We're just skipping over the seek number because, yeah, that's not that important. Okay, so let's see here. Now we are going to do, let's see, I need to put up my little cheat sheet. Now, what we want to minimize or what we want to select on is the keyword searched column. So let's see here. I'm going to come over here. We got all these. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Here, this guy. Keyword searched. So here, we don't want all the keywords in the whole table. We only want the data from the vidIQ searches, which have as keywords, these I'm going to type them in. So baking, and then cooking. We go down to the next line. Eating. They're all related to food. I'm getting hungry. Food. And then we got nutrition. And then the last one is restaurants. So a lot of different things which all have to do with food. And these are all vidIQ searches. So what I'm trying to show here is that how do you put all these searches together? So now we got all those, and then we want to, let me see here. We want to get this all sorted. Oh, I went too far. We want to sort these by the keywords themselves. So let's go ahead and sort these by ascending on the keywords. I'm going to come over here on top and let's do vidIQ search for food and cooking. Okay, we're going to run it. There it is. Let's see, $1,000 meal, $100 steak. So we haven't done any grouping yet. So we're going to get some duplicates. 3 p.m. slump, 4K nature video, 4K real, 5-minute crafts. Well, that appears a couple times. 5-minute crafts, 5-star restaurant. So now we're going to get some duplications. No wonder we're getting over 2,400 results here. So here, we're getting everything that we want, though. We're getting cooking, nutrition, restaurants, nutrition, baking. So we're getting everything, but we're getting everything duplicates. And this is the thing. I mean, we're getting everything, but we had to search by search volume. We're getting everything, but we're getting the duplicates of everything. So let's see here. Where is the thing that we just made? vidIQ search food and cooking. So let's go back over here. We're going back to the design view. Now we want to search by the search volume, but but we forgot one thing. We have to do some grouping. So let's take the sort off over here. We're gonna do it by search volume, but descending. And then over here by the keywords, we want to get rid of all the duplicates. So I'm going to right click over here and we're going to put this in totals. So we're going to group by over here because keywords we're going to group by. We want to get rid of all the duplicates. And then on related score, we're going to go ahead. These are all numbers. So you can't group by numbers. You have to sum them. So competition, we're going to do sum. Overall score, we're going to do sum. Number of words, really, we don't care about. Let's get that off. Keywords searched. Also, we don't care about. We can get rid of that one too. Okay. I think we got everything we wanted. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and save it. Now we all just have to make the columns a little wider. When you get pounds like that, it means it's not wide enough to display all the numbers. We just need to make it a little bit wider. Okay, no worries. Now we come over here. Now, is it giving? It's not giving us everything that we wanted because we got rid of the criteria. So we have to come back over here. We took away the criteria. We just had to hide it. We have to come back. We deleted the criteria. So we have to come back and put the, let's see here, keyword searched column. I accidentally deleted that. We have to put the criteria in. It's giving us everything. Baking. And then cooking. We just don't want to display it. We still want to put them in. We just don't need to display it all. Cooking, eating, and food. And then nutrition. And then restaurants. Okay. We're just gonna take that off. And this is not, yeah, that's just gonna be the where clause. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, now we got 1,100 of them. That looks much better. Now, if we want to check and see if we're getting the right data, I'm going to click on the SQL tab, and then let's see if this makes sense. I'm going to come over here. It just puts everything on one line, makes it really hard to read. Let's see here. Yeah, so this is where if you know a little bit of SQL, this gives the sum of the related score. There. Okay, this is the keyword. Here, related score, search volume, competition, overall score. This is the table name. It's vidIQ search results. Where, and then here we go. Keywords is baking, or keywords is cooking, or keywords is eating, or keyword search is food, or keyword search is nutrition, or keyword search is restaurant. Group by keyword, order by, search volume descending. So that is right. That's what we want. So having a little bit of knowledge of what's this script over here, which is called SQL, structured query language, then you know that it's giving us the right data. Go back and run it. So now we got Nico Caro, avocado, food, jelly, Gordon Ramsay, mukbang, SNL, street food, 5-minute crafts, Shang-Chi, cooking, top 10 pizza, life hacks, New York, how to. So now we're getting, and this is all, let me see, this is going by the related, no, this is going by what? Search volume. So I gotta make this bigger so you can see all the numbers. Yeah, so this is going by the search volume. Now, some of these numbers look big because they have decimals in them. This is 591, 557, 57, 56, 49, 47. This is by search volume. So we're coming down to ice cream, recipes, something in Russian, Thanksgiving, camping, cheese, crash course. So with all this data, here's Saturday Night Live, Food Ranger, crafts, Los Angeles fried chicken, chocolate, Korean food, Chinese food, burgers, cake decorating. So now we're getting our top here. This is like the top 100 here. Village cooking, cake recipes, diabetes, chocolate cake, health. So these are the top 100 most used keywords out of all these searches, which are baking, cooking, eating, food, nutrition, and restaurants. So here we are. These are all of them. The top most used keywords, top 100 of them. These are them right there. That's them all the way down there. And then after that, you get sandwich, do it yourself, Shang-Chi, eat, watch Mojo, row, how to cook, step-by-step, New York Times, easy recipes, eating, hacks, food review, etc. And I got 1,100 of them. So as you see here, these numbers, search volume, they're going down dramatically. So there you go. Okay. So if you got any value out of this, please go ahead and subscribe and comment and like. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for the next video, please let me know. Let me know in the comments or send me an email. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Y'all have a good